A pontos helymeghatározás lehetővé teszi a farmer számára, hogy beállítsa az elvetendő magok mennyiségét. A mező egyes területei termékenyebbek a többinél, és nagyobb terméshozamra képesek négyzetméterenként. Ha a traktor tudja, hogy melyek azok a területek, amelyek sokkal termékenyebbek, akkor eltérő mennyiségű vetőmagot szórhat ki attól függően, hogy a talaj mennyit képes ellátni.
When spreading manure such as slurry or lime, a driver will often have no points of reference for starting the next pass through the field. Using EGNOS, the GPS pilot steers the machine from any location accurately along a path parallel with the previous pass. This avoids overlap and prevents over-fertilizing. EGNOS also offers advantages when it comes to soil cultivation. The driver can concentrate fully on ensuring that the working implement is set perfectly, which allows him to do more work in less time and at less cost.
EGNOS is Europe's first venture into the field of satellite navigation and a precursor to Galileo, Europe's global satellite navigation system. EGNOS improves positioning measurements using 3 satellites and a network of more than 30 reference stations in 20 countries, providing much greater accuracy than achieved through GPS alone. Here's how it works. Stations on the ground pick up signals from GPS satellites, which are then centrally processed. The accuracy of the original signals is determined, and factors such as electrical disturbances in the atmosphere are taken into account. These data are incorporated into EGNOS signals and sent to its 3 geostationary satellites. These satellites then relay the signals back to users. The result is substantially improved positioning accuracy and data integrity.
The technology is simple, the technology has to be reliable, and it has to be very cost-effective.
Variable rate application can reduce the cost of pesticides by about 20-25%.
When you do an economy of pesticide or fertilizer, automatically you have a benefit for the environment.
The biggest advantage of EGNOS is it's free.
Precision agriculture improves efficiency, increases yields, lowers costs, and reduces environmental impact. With costs rising and environmental concerns growing by the day, efficient and sustainable farming solutions are needed more than ever. Precision agriculture has always required a substantial upfront investment and significant ongoing costs, but not anymore. EGNOS, the European Geostationary Navigation Overlay Service, has changed this equation by offering an affordable precision solution. EGNOS is Europe's first venture into the field of satellite navigation and a precursor to Galileo, Europe's global satellite navigation system. EGNOS improves position. EGNOS-enabled receivers are able to accurately calculate the area and perimeter of land parcels and map boundaries. This positioning can then be combined with landscape features or other elements governed by agri-environmental measures.
Az űrtechnológia segít csökkenteni az európai farmokon felhasznált műtrágya és növényvédőszerek mennyiségét. Hogyan? A pontosabb és megbízhatóbb műholdas helymeghatározással a farmerek alkalmazhatják a változó arányú alkalmazás nevű eljárást. Az EGNOS és a Galileo megadja a farmerek számára a traktor pontos helyét és a hatóanyag kijuttatási területét. Ez a precíz információ segíti a traktoron lévő eszközt abban, hogy meg tudja állapítani, mennyi hatóanyagot kell kijuttatni a művelt területre. Ez azt jelenti, hogy ha a szórási terület a farmon kívülre kerül, a gép bezár és abba hagyja a szórást. A pontos helymeghatározási információ ezen kívül megakadályozza a vegyi anyagok környezetvédelmileg érzékeny területre, mint például folyók vagy madarak élőhelyeire való juttatását. A szórógép nyitásán és zárásán túl a változó arányú alkalmazás rendszerek lehetővé teszik annak megállapítását, hogy mennyi műtrágyát kell az adott területre juttatni. A rendszer tárolja az utolsó alkalommal kijuttatott hatóanyag mennyiségét, és automatikusan közli a géppel, hogy kevesebbet kell kijuttatni a következő alkalommal.
Telematics provides farmers with a remote diagnostic and analysis system live via web, which contributes effectively to cutting harvesting costs. We meet Mr. Müller, farm manager at Wenzel Farm in Teutschenthal and Salzmünde. Mr. Müller uses 3 Claas Lexion 600 combine harvesters at harvest time. To fully utilize the capability of the machines, Mr. Wenzel has decided to make use of the telematics system. A click of the mouse is all it takes, and Mr. Müller is able to access all the data he needs to analyze the performance of his combine harvesters. Every morning, before the start of threshing operations, Mr. Müller takes his data and discusses with his combine harvester drivers the previous day's harvest. The objective is to optimize the coming day's harvesting operations. Employees compare the various operating times. Information is available on threshing times, turnaround times, and on-the-go unloading times. In addition, the operating schedule is analysed. Who had too much unnecessary downtime and why? Downtime produces overhead which can be avoided by using telematics. The optimum logistics solution is quickly found. An additional collecting wagon is deployed in order to prevent downtime. The new day of threshing can begin. The data provided by telematics allows a quick analysis to be made. The goal of every farm manager is to make efficient and cost-effective use of combine harvester capacity. Harvesting conditions can vary on a day-to-day basis. Telematics helps the farmer to fully exploit the capacity of the combine harvester and to optimize the machine's setup, thereby increasing throughput and cutting costs. It quickly becomes apparent that one combine harvester is falling behind the other two. Evidently, the combine harvester does not have the optimum setup. Mr. Müller is able to monitor harvesting operations from an office PC and can see the exact position of his combine harvesters. He calls up the setup data of all his combine harvesters using telematics and compares it. The cause of the problem is quickly found. The threshing unit and the cleaning system have to be reconfigured. A call to the combine harvester in question is all that's needed, and the driver adjusts the setup. Analysis and adjustment are quickly made, and the problem solved. Costs are saved. Mr. Müller can call up the setup of the combine harvester from any location with internet access and compare it with the setups of his other combine harvesters. In addition, the Combine League provides reference data of other machines operating under similar conditions. In this way, using telematics, the farmer can cut costs considerably and maximize output.
Is simple, the technology has to be reliable, and it has to be very cost-effective.
Variable rate application can reduce the cost of pesticides by about 20-25%.
When you do an economy of pesticide or fertilizer, automatically you have a benefit for the environment.
The biggest advantage of EGNOS is it's free.
A műholdas helymeghatározás szükségtelenné teszi a kerítést. Az EGNOS és hamarosan a Galileo lehetővé fogja tenni az élő állatok helyének pontos meghatározását. Ha olyan nyakörvet helyezünk a szarvasmarhára, amely pontos jeleket kap a helyzetéről, akkor az figyelmezteti az állatot, ha elhagyja a legeltetési területet.
Az